Right, guys, Nick, the Hollow Junk Removal. We're at our first job today, picking up a sofa. So come on, let's go take a look, see what we're gonna be picking up here. They got us off our website. We don't pay for ads, so we're just doing it the old-fashioned way. So let's go see what they got going on. Hey, how are you?
Pretty good.
Good, good. Where's it at? Where's it at?
Right there.
That one?
Yep.
Okay.
That one.
So grab it out. How are you doing today?
Pretty good. Doing well.
You got a long driveway.
Yeah, long. Yeah.
Give me a minute. Okay, so sofa pickup. 150 bucks. Small one. First job of the day. Oh, gotta get my guantes on. Gloves. And then we'll probably go check out the surf. So we got all our business here. Then up top, we got the board carrier. Got our surfboard up there, all our gear. So when we're slow, we just gotta check out the waves and go hop in the water. Fuck it. I want this. So stay tuned. We're gonna get it out right now. Pick it up. Do it. $150. Sofa pickup. We'll be working in Vista all day today. If you got something, give us a call. Or go to our online and book it. Or your sofa, sectional, whatever you have to be picked up. We'll grab it. All right, till next time. Peace.